Finally then, Dr. Narayan, if you had to give us 2 or 3 stocks to buy today, apart from the ones that we just discussed, what would they be?
Well, I think market is really gyrating to news flows, right? So news flow currently is by way of, the numbers which are being really described. And I think among that we have 2 big wigs today, both from pharma, Lupin and Ranbaxy. And I would really go right now in the market on a day-to-day basis, because there really is no sustained trend happening anywhere in any sector or even in any particular stock. So I think what we need to play is news-led momentum. Lupin and Ranbaxy are both in a kind of a range with slight contrarian setup. Lupin is struggling against the higher end of a range and above 1400. If the results were good and were to trigger an upward spike above 1400, Lupin would remain a buy and head out considerably higher, probably about $100 at the minimum can be added. On the other hand, Ranbaxy is trying to butt against a lower level support, which is very near at about 585. Given the fact that the next support in Ranbaxy is quite a way off, I would not really hesitate to take an exit from long positions if something were to be adverse, or the stock's reception to the numbers were to be adverse. So the approach would be a little different for Lupin as well as for Ranbaxy. I would be gladly a buyer in Lupin on a breakout, because there is strength and the stock seems to be indicating that. Ranbaxy is iffy. It's trading up against near its all-time high at about 600, 625. So even if it were to survive and try to build on the lower level of support of the range, I think 625.30 would be the max that I would look at for the day or two here. Subsequently, we can take a call if it were to show continued strength. But range between 585 to 625 for Ranbaxy, with a definite exit call from longs below 585. A breakout buy in Lupin above 1400 levels, and those would be the 2 main picks.